Hi, welcome to EdgeStocks.com. My name is Rob Mitchell. Thank you for joining me. We have a big list of stocks today. On the weekends, we pick up a lot of stocks because Cycle Vision will continue to trade over the weekend. We have 31 stocks today, so I'm only going to go over a few of them, ones that are in sectors that, as I have said in other updates, we have seen are at cycle lows and should be coming up. These sectors include basic materials, medical sector, restaurant sector, and the utility sector. We also have, I believe, some action in the retail sector, but I'm seeing groups of stocks coming up in these other sectors, so we will cover those just briefly. First up are the basic materials sector. I have a couple stocks in there. The first one is American Vanguard, which looks like it's been in an uptrend after being down for quite a period, and it looks like it's doing so on good volume. This looks to be a cycle low. This is also a low price stock. Might be a good opportunity. Take a look at it. That is one of our best ratings for the next few days. The next stock is symbol TSO. And this is also in the basic materials sector. This stock has been more or less in consolidation. It recently tested this low here, and so that might be poised for some upside. A lot of times I like to see, this is at 1372 right now. On this particular stock, we're looking for about a 7% gain, and it's only going to take about $1 to do that, so we can still hit the target profit on this trade. Not that you should necessarily take it, that's also up to you, but while being underneath that last swing low. So technically that's a good situation to be in. The next one is symbol BCR, and this falls into the medical. We have, looks like about 5 medical stocks today. This stock has been in an uptrend recently, but this is a consolidating kind of stock. Looks like they probably had something real bad earnings or something happen right here, and it looks like it's been in a recovery mode. We are at or near recent highs. This is a more expensive stock, but we're looking for about a 5 or 6% gain on that, and we should also be able to do that on this one while still being underneath that previous high. So again, one in the medical sector. Symbol CVD is next. This one also playing with new highs, and looks like it might be in a little bit of a consolidation right here. Again, it had moved sideways, and this particular sector has been an underperformer so far this year, and some of these stocks are starting to break out of the consolidation maybe a little bit early. The next one in this sector, RDNT. I kind of like this one. It's a low price stock, and it's been breaking higher on some relatively good volume compared to what it was doing during the downtrend. It is breaking through this last swing high, mostly in consolidation for quite a time here. It's at $2.59 right here. Could be a good opportunity. RMD is next in the medical sector, and this stock has been seen nothing but upside for quite a time now. Probably, I haven't looked, but this stock probably has a really good balance sheet, and this is the reason that it's going higher. And so we're looking for about 6.5% return on that. I often don't like buying the stocks at new highs. It's a little bit higher risk than something that might be in a consolidation range, generally speaking. Some people just love buying new highs because you can get caught in some really big trades that way as well. The choice, of course, is yours. With many choices to choose from. Next in the medical sector is UHS, and this stock is a real consolidator, but it is playing with these recent highs. Might be a little bit higher risk on this particular trade, but it is in a pretty tight channel going up as well. So something down around the 31 something range might be good. If it happens. I like sometimes putting in limit orders and just seeing if I'll get filled on them. Next, I have a couple in the restaurant sector. I really like this company. BJ's Restaurants, this stock has seen nothing but upside. This is a sector that is also coming out of bottom. Has been an underperformer, but these are the stocks that are really leading. And on the this particular stock, I think we're looking for about a 13% average return on this one. And so this is a really good one. Another one is Panera Bread Company, symbol PNRA. Oh, I think I miscoded that. PNRA. And this stock also has seen nothing but upside as well. This is a little bit higher price stock. So depending on your budgeting and the number of shares that you might trade. But these are two definite leaders in the restaurant, and we do see a low happening in the restaurant sector, so retail restaurants, and so these might be good opportunities. I have 3 utility stocks. Utilities tend to be a little bit quieter stocks compared to some of these others. This one, Dominion Resources, is in a consolidation, but it is playing with new highs. For a trade that's expecting a 5% return, I might want to put my risk reward into another area with it being this high. Duke Energy is another. This one has been in a consolidation to a downside. This might be a speculative play. It's a little bit lower price stock, so you don't have to risk as much. And then the other is a symbol BKH. Black Hills Corp. This one also playing with new highs. Looks like it's been doing so pretty strongly. But it does look like somebody unloaded a real lot of the stock right in here. Might not be a bad idea to check and see if there's been some insider selling. But this mid-price stock looks like it's been in a good uptrend. So aside from doing a little fundamental check on it, of course our trade on that one is only lasting about 3 weeks. So it has a pretty good rating on it. Anyways, I wanted to cover the ones that are chunking together into certain sectors that I'm also seeing as buys in the Cycle Vision program for the whole sector. And that is not in any way taking away from the other remaining stocks on our list. As I said, we'll always have more on the weekends and over holidays. And looks like there's plenty of opportunity, plenty of trades. And we're kind of coming out of a quiescent time where there weren't a lot of trades coming up. There were a lot of days where there weren't any trades at all. And I do note that when Cycle Vision starts making a lot of, coming up with a lot of trades, we will tend to see that as a overall market indicator, because what it's showing us is that there's a lot of breadth in the bottoming of these cycles, giving us opportunity to go forward. So again, thank you for joining me. I want you to have a wonderful weekend, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.